In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the radiator cooling fan on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Disconnect the harness connectors for the fan. Push on the top button and pull the connector back. Pop this one off of the upper radiator support. There's one more under it. The push button is on top. Push on that button. Pull up and disconnect. Push that harness to the side. At the top, on either side of the radiator fan, you're going to find these locking tabs. Push back and then pull up on the fan. They'll unlock and you can lift the fan up. Do this on both sides. Make sure both sides are lifted up and out. And we're going to drop the fan down out of the car. Tilt the fan slightly back. Work it around all of the hoses and remove it from the car. We're going to remove the harness from the old fan assembly. To remove the connectors, push down. Remove the connector. Keep going around doing that for all of them. If you use a flat blade screwdriver to help you pop the connectors off, be very gentle. This plastic can be brittle. You don't want to break the connector. If you have something like this happen, we're going to dig out all of the parts. And then we're going to have to reinstall it into the connector. Push the little grommet down into place. Install the pin lock. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop off all of the clips. Pull the connector out of the assembly and remove the harness. We're going to install the harness into the new assembly. Install the connector. Go around and install all the plastic clips. Install the connectors. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give them a pull, make sure they're locked on. There should be a plastic clip right here to install into the shroud. Ours is missing. Install the radiator fan up into the vehicle. Be sure that the fan locks into the locking tabs on either side on the radiator. Install the plastic connector stay onto the upper radiator support. Pull the harness over. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. There's one more connector down here. Same thing, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.